was created for this.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to another video, another hair tutorial. If you're new here, my name is Maisha. Today we're getting into a very simple and easy hairstyle. I know y'all have probably rocked this hairstyle before, but I'm just going to be showing you how I do it and what products that I use. So this hairstyle was inspired by my girl Tamaya Renee. I don't know if y'all watch her, but when I tell y'all, she rocks a top knot and makes it look so cute and classy, and I love that. So that's what I came up with.
Let's get started. I did wash and condition my hair, and I also blow dried it straight for this style. To cleanse my scalp, the Guava Slip Detangling Shampoo and the Rosemary Oil Hair and Scalp Cleanser. My top two conditioners, the Shea Moisture Curl and Shine Conditioner and the Honey Hydrate Leave-In Conditioner. This is one of those hairstyles that anyone can do. It's really all about getting your hair into a sleek top ponytail. And it's all about the hair products that you use for your hair texture. So if your ponytail is not as long as mine, this is the part of the video where you will add your hair into your ponytail. So you would just twist the hair in, just like I'm twisting my natural hair. You would just twist it in, and then that still would create a top knot, but you just added some hair in. So again, you do not have to have long hair to achieve this hairstyle. You can achieve this hairstyle with added hair. So don't let that stop you. If your hair isn't long, you can still do a top knot.